Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. It's back. For years, we've waited, we've speculated, and now the rumors are swirling faster than ever. Apple's foldable iPhone is on the horizon. But what can we really expect? So, based on the latest leaks and predictions for this highly anticipated device, the design is the biggest talking point. Most leaks point towards a book-style fold, similar to Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series. Imagine a sleek, compact device when closed, revealing a massive, almost tablet-sized screen when unfolded. We're talking potentially over 12 inches of display real estate. But here's the kicker. Apple is reportedly aiming for a virtually crease-free experience. Their innovative hinge design promises to minimize, if not eliminate, the visible crease that plagues many competitors' foldable phones. This hinge is key. Leaks suggest a complex, proprietary mechanism that's unlike anything we've seen before. It's a testament to Apple's commitment to perfecting the foldable experience. The result? What about the internals? Expect top-of-the-line performance. A powerful A-series chip, or its successor, will power this beast, ensuring smooth multitasking and effortless performance. RAM and storage options will likely mirror Apple's flagship iPhones. The battery is expected to be substantial, likely exceeding 5,000 mAh to compensate for the power demands of the larger display. The camera system is a bit of a mystery. Some leaks suggest a more streamlined setup than expected, possibly focusing on quality over quantity. While a triple camera system like the iPhone 17 Pro Max is possible, a dual camera setup with a focus on superior image processing is also a strong possibility. Expect Apple's signature image processing prowess to deliver stunning photos and videos, regardless of the final camera configuration. When can you get your hands on this revolutionary device? The consensus points to a late 2026 or early 2027 release. However, keep in mind that these are still predictions based on leaks and rumors. Apple is notoriously secretive, so official confirmation is still some time away. And finally, the price. Expect this to be a premium device, reflecting the advanced technology and engineering involved. Prepare for a price tag that will likely be at the higher end of the smartphone market. The Apple iPhone Fold promises to be a game changer. A device that seamlessly blends the portability of a smartphone with the productivity of a tablet. While we await official confirmation from Apple, the leaks and rumors paint a picture of a truly innovative and exciting device. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.